All right, CSS battle time for July 11th. Starting the timer, and we're off. All right, dots and dashes with rounded edges. Well, how do I want to do this? So, currently, what am I thinking? I don't know what I'm thinking. I think, could I do? Well, I'm going to start with styling the HTML background as the lightest pink color. But is that what I really want to do? I don't know if that's what I want to do, but that's what I'm doing for now, because I can't decide to do anything else. I'm going to set the background of the HTML to this middle pink color. I'm going to say border radius. I don't know what that's going to be. 30 pixels. We'll start with that and see what happens. I need to do some formatting, or I'm going to confuse myself. And then I'm going to say, what? Having trouble typing. Margin of, what's that going to be? 80 more. To be like 100. Yeah. And 300. And doesn't, yeah, it doesn't matter actually. 120 and 20. Okay, there's my basic shape. This needs to be more, 350, 330. This needs to be more, 30. This needs to be more, 50, 60. All right, there's that. Now, I think I can box shadow. I don't know what that is, 150 pixels, 0. And I'm going to say color. Should I do color? Yeah, I should do color. Then I have 3 of them. Color is going to be this middle pink. And then it's going to be one, I don't know what that is, 80. That's right. And then I need 2 more box shadows. One of them is going to be 50. Nope. 0, 50, 60. Not 0. Not that. None of those. None of that. What happened? Wow. Okay. And then the other one's going to be 180, 60. Pixels. Okay, there's that. Now I need a paragraph selector. I need to add a paragraph so I don't go chasing my tail for paragraphs. Why it's not showing up. And I think I only need one. It's going to be position fixed, but okay. And it's going to be padding. What that is, 30, 20. That looks right. And I don't know, 50. No, that's close. Margin, that's margin 0, and margin 50, 60, and background is going to be hot pink. Color is going to be hot pink. that should be it. Okay, that's a match. So it's time to start cleaning stuff up. Background I used 3 times. We will make a variable out of that. Var b, comma, that, there, and there. Border radius is only once. Margin is only twice. Color is only twice. Box shadow is once. Position fixed. I can't do without position fixed this time. Otherwise, the element is going to change the shape of my body. Would it be easier to do position? It might. Theoretically, I could leave the body alone and have 2 elements and not use position fixed. I don't know that that's going to save me much. By the time I add another element, that's 3 characters. But at the time I add another selector, that's 5 characters. And it might help, but I'm going to have. So it might help. Maybe I'll play with it after. For now, I'm going to go with this. Let's look to clean up silly spaces. I could also chase cues on my box shadow and my border radius. Quite frankly, it's not that important to me today. I am tired and it is the end of the day. All right, that's been almost 7 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I'm happy enough with that. I'm gonna go with that. Gonna call it a day. Thanks everyone. See you next time.